You may recognize our guest host today, Chantel Norman from Jaw Movement, a very popular reggae band here on the Suncoast. But Chantel is also part of a gospel group that will really get you moving. Here with a special a cappella performance is Truality in today's Sounds of the Suncoast.
Oh, oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, stars that banner yet wave, banner yet wave, o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Oh, wow, I've got tears in my eyes. That is stunning. Of course, you guys are, and you're amazing, and there are even more of you at the Blue Rooster on Sundays.
Yes, our drummer Daryl.
Oh, wow, you are just unbelievable. Could you sing something else for us? I want to hear more of that.
Definitely.
First, let me tell people that you are going to be at the Blue Rooster's Sunday Gospel Brunch. Truality is something you don't want to miss. You can see their complete schedule on their website. And next, we're going to talk to a Suncoast mom just back from an appearance on Shark Tank. But first, guys, I want to hear more. Could you sing us out, please?
If you've got God,
Everybody knows that it's alright. Oh, it's alright.
see, when I wake up in the morning, you see, I give God the praise. See, we've got God.
Everybody knows that it's alright. Oh, it's alright.
See, when I wake up early in the morning, yes, I give God the praise. He makes my day. I wouldn't have it no other way. With him, I'll always stay.